as a COVID ICU nurse, it was very difficult situation to win the battle against coronavirus without nurses, because the doctors they are treating the patients and the nurses are helping them. That is the main thing. And my main role, if I say about that, we have giving specialized care to the patients who all are getting admitted to the COVID ICU. So along with that, we are doing our daily nursing routines, and most probably in that COVID time we had to take care of ourselves, and we have to give others take care of other safety also. That is the main concern during that pandemic period. But whoever came to us, we are treating as like a family member, and we did our level best for their fast recovery. Some situations I had to stand as a family member, counselor and mentor to give physical and mental support to the patient. I demonstrated my care, love, kindness, courage and values and professional responsibility as a nurse. I had known my worth as a nurse. That is my role. It was very hard to tackle the situation. Sometimes I was exhausted, weak and tired, because some patients were getting admitted in the ICU. They were very reluctant. They are restless, panic, and they were very discomfort with us, knowingly and unknowingly. It might be due to their situation, their condition. And so our health workers, we tried allowed the patient and bystanders to convince them to get on our track for their fast recovery. I was depressed sometimes when I saw the dying patients, because who couldn't even be with their beloved ones. That time, during that difficult period, we just holded their hands and said our own prayer. That situation was terribly strange. Then after, I balanced my personal life and professional life together. There had been a lot of suffering regardless of day and night, but it really took a lot of effort and hard work to save the patient lives. But we didn't feel that it was a hardship for us to save the patient life. Those nights were sleepless. We didn't even not get time to take care of our family also. So after that, my family, my husband and my 5-year-old child, my daughter was here, and along with our ICU team, our ICU doctors and my colleagues. So they took restless effort during that period. Most that I had my second pregnancy during the second wave peak time. So that time I was tensed a lot, but I continued the COVID duty without any vaccination, and moreover my ICU doctors and my staff nurses who worked along with me, they supported very well both physically and mentally. So I was able to do my COVID duty without any distraction. So throughout the time I performed well as a staff nurse till my last date of my delivery. So thank you so much for my management. Then happy National Day to everyone. Always be safe. Thank you.